truck?
A dump truck? A steel quarry dump truck from Tonka.
Let's open it.
We're gonna rip it open, Jack. Wait, it just came right out. There weren't even any twisty ties.
One on the front and the front loader on the back.
Whoa. Super windy.
This little tractor backhoe.
These real tracks on this toy?
No, I need this.
No, they're just plastic things.
I'm just gonna make a front loader on the front.
You gotta fix up those arms. Those shovels go together. Got it?
It's a front loader for my truck. Only this can dig by itself. I can load that too. I can load that into the grass dump. I need a grass dump truck to get it into the hay.
There's some hay?
Like this dump truck. Hay goes inside this dump truck. Get more hay. Hay. Hey, this is hay. Pick up. Hay. Hay to pick up. This hay is gonna be to the farm. This is a construction group. This is a front loader.
Oh, is it by John Deere?
It's a John Deere craft front loader.
Good load of grass in here. Oh, you missed.
I missed it. This grass
It's so windy.
Oh, where's my dump it? Oh, dump it up in the grass. Dump it. And this is a compost truck. This is a front loader. See how it's a front loader? It can dig. See it's inside of it?
Sweet.
And it can dig deeper things.
Look at all those dump trucks. Looks like some serious digging. Scoop.
Well, I can. This is the gas truck. This is the dump truck. It carries all this. This is our quarry. It carries all our rocks.
What is Molly doing?
I'm making this bigger. This is a front load. Couldn't be like this. And to load up this stuff.
Parking?
But you don't need that.
No, I don't.
To drive, not drive it.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Jack.
You're not sorry. It's a bad thing. I'm sorry. Not sorry. I'm not. But
What do you have there, Jack?
it's a
It's not a dead snake, it's a dead, dried up worm.
Yeah, but that thing died.
It did.
It did die. It died by a spider.
No, by sun.
It lived in the sun, then it burned it.
Something like that.
Look at this dump truck. Really heavy. See, it's not going on its windshield. Oh, this is coming. We have snow all around.
Now that's snow?
What is this?
Whoa, what's that, Jack?
It's a dried up worm.
It is a dried up worm, another one. We just had rain recently. It was very hot the last couple days. Oh, you broke up the dead worm.
Go inside it.
There we go, down into the trench.
Now dig over here and like this. I can't.
Oh, you just did it.
But I can't do this.
Here, look. Scooping the dirt.
And dumping into this. You're making it go out. No, it's like this.
Help me.
It's like that. The star is the sun.
Every star is a sun, yep.
Very hot.
The sun is very hot.
Yes. It's hard. It's bigger than the whole world.
Bigger than the earth.
Look at the dumpling site.
Oh, Jack found more dead worms. 2 of them.
What?
Are they crunchy? Dead worms are crunchy.
See, it's digging into the rocks.
It's hard to be such a good digging guy.
This is the water dump truck.
Yeah?
It brings all the water to all the dump trucks. Then it's going to mix all together to mud. Now I'm going to drop it there. And it's going to be mud pile. Turn it around. I need to break.
Pull them apart.
I break.
You did it.
And then I turn it around. I can't turn it around. This. It needs to be this. But I want to connect.
It's a front loader.
To break this, the correct pine cone.
You want me to stomp on the pine cone? Well, Jack, what you really want to do is you want to pull these things out with your fingers. Use this pine cone here. Peel off the seeds.
I can put these on inside this thing and fill these in. Get that full. Then all this. Okay. When you're done,
Oh, I'm
I'll
gonna sap on myself.
let's make a pile of these. Let's make a pile of these. And then I'll scoop them up. Get all these off.
How do you? Try pull it off with your fingers.
I did it. Now put those seeds in. Ow! But it's still gluey.
Yeah, that's sap. Pull the bottom ones off. Very last row.
The Backhoe truck's here. It fills all these up. Fills all these up. Into it. I'll fill all those up into it. All full up. Bye kids, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.
All right, see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.